What's up, guys?
Look, I got a cat. It's fake. Meow.
Yes, Ryleigh got a kitty.
Because I love cats.
Not yet. We are currently at my Uncle Barry's trailer. So Grammy, Rowan, and Mike are on their way up here right now. They should be here in about 20 minutes.
My cat's Fluffy.
Your cat's name's Fluffy?
Yeah.
But yeah, so they should be here in about 20 minutes. We're kind of just hanging out, chilling until they get here. And Mom said something about going to Grotto's Pizza when they get here. So yeah, Madison's playing with the marbles. Colton's being a little bugger.
Yeah, Colton being a little
He won't
bugger.
let me do anything. Yeah, we'll be back on when my mom and Rowan and Mike get here.
I can't wait to see Rowan. Bye. Mom, say, say Rowan to come play with me.
Rowan will probably play with you when he gets here.
I mean, can you ask him so you can play with me?
Yeah. Why'd you go in there?
We didn't make one stop. We had to pee so bad.
It was right here.
I didn't know it.
Oh.
She held us from peeing forever. She's like, I'm going to stop, and she never stopped. We drove straight through.
We drove straight through, but we didn't have to go pee.
We did.
I had to
Well, I hope you guys are ready to go eat, because
Yeah, I
we're
hope you guys are
starving
ready
to
to
death.
eat.
We are literally starving. We want to go get
Oh, is
pizza.
that what it? Let's unload first, Laura.
Alright, slave driver.
This one can't.
Where's it going? Where do you want to drive the Batmobile?
Did you get 4 tokens? Are those minor? What's the minor prize? Oh, this isn't one of them games. What?
You got more money. I didn't realize all the other games are worth.
Colton, look here. Okay. Hi! Right? Mad, come stand here. Look at me, ready? Look at me. What, are you trying that game again? What, $1 you receive? You can pretend you're riding it. Which one are you trying for? That one? What, a fire stick? Why?
Right there.
Nope.
Stuffed animals. Isn't that weird?
It got on the bounce them off.
Tyler and Rowan went in the ocean. Yeah. like the best and swim a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna head out. I just wanted to show you what the park looks like. It was really cool, but it's very expensive. What?
You guys want to feed the fish?
Really? Madison, come on! The girls are gonna go feed the fish. We are still at Jungle Gyms. They have like this little cool pond up here, and it has little fishies and turtles, and you can get food over there and feed them. Get down, please. So the girls are gonna feed the little fish. Your dad's gonna get some. Hold on. Oh, look at the black ones. If that's not food, do not put it in there. Oh, okay. One is not going to do anything. See, look at him. Look at him. Go keep getting more. Oh, there they... Oh. Give them to the other fish. The catfish. There we go.
That's a turtle.
He's so cute. Let me take a picture.